Hi, and welcome to Ames Responds to COVID-19, a question and answer program where Ames area organizations respond to your COVID-19 questions. I'm Susan Guiasa, the Public Relations Officer with the City of Ames. On today's show, my guest is Andrea Cardenas. She's the Health Promotion Coordinator for the City of Ames. Andrea, welcome to the show.
Thanks for having me, Susan.
So if we look at the City of Ames like a microcosm of the community, what can you tell me about the numbers of COVID positive cases that you're seeing?
Well, after the peak that we had in November, we started to see the case numbers go down, which was great. Unfortunately, we started to see more people reporting exposures and symptoms over the Christmas holidays, and then those numbers have continued to increase after New Year's. It's a little bit hard at this point to completely tell what the full impact is, and the next couple of weeks will tell us. But what I'm seeing is that more people went out and had some sort of family or friend celebration over the Christmas holidays, and we're starting to see that people have had more exposures, are getting symptoms and testing positive for COVID.
Sure, we all know that COVID fatigue is kind of setting in, and we all need to be vigilant. I understand some City of Ames employees are getting vaccinated. What can you tell me about that?
Yes, we've been really excited that our firefighters as EMS qualify for the first round as healthcare providers. So to date, we've vaccinated almost half of our fire department, and at this point, we're just scheduling and getting more people ready to get vaccinated so we can get as many firefighters vaccinated as possible. It's been really good response. People have wanted to get the vaccine, and we're also seeing that people are having minimal side effects, sore arm, sometimes some flu-like symptoms over 24 hours afterward, but it's been a really positive experience. And we're just excited to have another tool in our tool belt to protect against COVID-19.
So it might be a while before we reach that herd immunity. What are the next steps for the general population?
Like you were saying previously, people are experiencing COVID fatigue, but I would just encourage everyone to continue following those preventative practices. Keep maintaining a distance of 6 feet. Keep staying home when you're sick. Even get tested regularly, so that way if you have an infection and you don't have symptoms yet. Just continue to follow those preventative practices, especially over the next couple of months, and then it'll start to be better. We won't have as many people that are eligible to get sick if they have been vaccinated. We'll have more of our population protected.
So, Andrea, you mentioned testing. We can't forget that the Test Iowa Clinic is still in Ames on East Lincoln Way, and it's still taking appointments. How do you sign up for a Test Iowa appointment?
So you go to testiowa.org. Once you go there, you take the assessment online. Once you're done, you'll get a QR code, and all you need to do is set up an appointment, and you drive out to the test site. They scan your QR code, they take your test, and then you get results texted and then emailed to you, usually within 72 hours of getting tested.
Okay, so vaccines are on their way, but we still need to maintain our distance. Remember our Cyclones Care's healthy pillars of healthy behaviors. Thanks, Andrea, for sharing with us some information, always helpful. Thank you for watching this episode of Ames Responds. As you know, Ames Responds is an opportunity to get your COVID-19 questions answered. Do you have a question for us? Send us an email at covid19@cityofames.org. Remember that the City of Ames has information on our website at cityofames.org/COVID-19. That's our show. Thanks for watching.